Not every home has wide, open wall space for large window designs. Many homes feature narrower wall openings due to layout, room function, or architectural style. Choosing the right window for these areas is essential to maintain comfort, light, and usability. For homeowners in Covington, slider windows are an especially practical solution for narrow wall openings, offering flexibility, efficiency, and a clean design that fits where other window styles may not. Designed for horizontal spaces, slider windows open horizontally rather than vertically or outward. This design makes them ideal for spaces where wall height is limited but width is available. Narrow wall openings often appear in bedrooms, bathrooms, hallways, or along exterior walls where space is carefully planned. In Covington homes, slider windows fit naturally into these areas without requiring structural changes. Their low-profile design allows homeowners to maximize usable window space without overwhelming the wall or room layout. Easy operation in tight areas. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is how easily they operate. Sliding panels glide smoothly along a track, requiring minimal effort to open or close. This is especially helpful in narrow wall openings where reaching or maneuvering around furniture could be a challenge. Covington homeowners appreciate that slider windows don't require lifting, cranking, or clearance to swing outward. Their simple operation makes them convenient for everyday use, even in compact or awkward spaces. Maximizing natural light where space is limited. Narrow wall openings can sometimes limit how much natural light enters a room. Slider windows help overcome this by offering large glass panels that let in ample daylight without needing additional wall space. In Covington homes, slider windows brighten smaller rooms and narrow areas, helping spaces feel more open and inviting. The wide glass surface allows light to spread evenly across the room, improving overall comfort and visibility. Maintaining clear views without bulk. Some window styles require thick frames or additional hardware that can make narrow openings feel crowded. Slider windows feature a clean, streamlined profile that preserves sightlines and avoids visual clutter. For Covington homeowners, this means enjoying clear outdoor views even in tighter spaces. Slider windows frame the view naturally, enhancing the room without drawing attention away from the home's design. Supporting ventilation without complications. Ventilation is important, even in rooms with limited wall space. Slider windows allow homeowners to control airflow by opening one or both panels as needed. In Covington homes, this flexibility helps maintain fresh indoor air without relying on complicated window mechanisms. Slider windows provide steady airflow while keeping operations simple and reliable. Space-saving design inside and out. Because slider windows move within their frame, they don't intrude into interior or exterior areas when open. This makes them especially suitable for narrow openings near walkways, patios, or interior furniture. Covington homeowners benefit from a window style that improves airflow and light without interfering with how the space is used. This space-saving feature is a major reason slider windows work so well in compact wall areas. Easy maintenance in hard-to-reach spots. Narrow wall openings are often located in areas that are harder to access. Slider windows typically feature fewer moving parts and simple track systems, making them easier to maintain over time. For Covington homeowners, this low-maintenance design helps ensure long-term performance without frequent adjustments or complicated upkeep. Blending seamlessly with home design. Slider windows have a versatile appearance that complements a wide range of home styles. Their clean lines and simple operation allow them to blend into both modern and traditional interiors. In Covington homes, slider windows enhance functionality without disrupting the home's overall aesthetic, especially in spaces where design balance matters. A smart solution for challenging spaces. Narrow wall openings don't have to limit comfort, light, or airflow. Slider windows provide a practical solution that fits these spaces naturally while delivering everyday benefits. For homeowners in Covington, slider windows offer an ideal balance of efficiency, convenience, and design. making them a smart choice for homes where space needs to be used wisely.